Now, T-Mac, you hear Clay and Steph say, oh, we want to run a streak off. We all remember 73 and how that ended. So do you think they should try to go for this with 20 games to go?
Absolutely. I mean, I think we all agree this will be their biggest test throughout the playoffs because of the resurgence of the Houston Rockets and how well they're playing. I would love for them to see if they can run off these 22 games. I know everybody would be like, well, what happened when they ran off, those 73 wins in that one season? But, well, let's not forget what happened in the playoffs or in the finals when Draymond Green got suspended. So I put an asterisk by that. I mean, I know Cleveland won that, but listen, they had the momentum completely on that. So I think it'd be wise for them to try to get these 22 games because Houston is playing phenomenal basketball. I'm actually scared for Golden State this year. That's how.
Really?
Yes, I am. They need to get this home court advantage because Houston is no joke. They're playing great basketball, and they're much deeper than Golden State in talent.